this is our second game, and it measures set shifting. It is based on JRSL set shifting. And in this game, you have to count the number of an object as specified by the queue in this white box. The objects that you need to count are located in this area. After counting, state the number as odd or even and click one of these 4 buttons that correspond to your answer and the queue in this white box. The queue will change without notification, so we have to regularly check what the queue is in this white box. The changing queue and the counting of item according to the queue are our implementation of JRSL set shifting. Now, let me demonstrate on how to play the game. First, we have to see what is the queue in this white box. It is a purple plate, a purple square plate. Then, after that, we have to count the purple plate here in this shelf or in this area. And there are 6 of them. And 6 is even. Then, we have to choose and click one of the 4 buttons here. And because the queue is purple plate, one of these 2 is the correct button to click. Then, because our number is 6 and it is even, this is our answer. And we have to click this button, like so. Okay. Then, let's also solve this trial too. The queue is still same, which is purple, which is a purple square plate. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the purple plate, and the button that correspond to the even number, because there is 4 purple plate, is this. It is even number because 4 is even, and then the icon in the button is also the same in the queue, so we click this button again. Alright, so that's how you play the game. And next up is this button, the start measuring button. When this button appears, it means you are on the training mode. You can learn how to play the game while in the training mode safely, so that any mistake you will make will not be recorded by the game. If you already understand on how to play the game, you can click this button to start the measurement on set shifting immediately. On the real measurement, you will be presented 30 trials divided into 3 phases. Each phase will consist of 10 trials, where the first phase you will count the item using the first queue. And I said first queue because sometimes when you run the game, you will get, let's say that you will get this purple plate here for your first queue. Sometimes when you run the game again, you will get a range or maybe a phase, depending on the case that you get. Then for the second phase, you will use, for the second phase, there will be a second queue for use in the second phase, and then the last phase, the third phase, will use both of the queue, and sometimes it will change. Okay, so that's the second game.